I wake up early. I wake up early. I wash my face. I wash my face. I make my coffee. I make my coffee. I get dressed. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I leave the house. I leave the house. I take the bus. I take the bus. I start work. I start work. I buy some food. I buy some food. I watch TV. I watch TV. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I read a book. I read a book. I walk the dog. I walk the dog. I take a shower. I take a shower. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I go to sleep. I go to sleep.
Let's review. Let's review.
I wake up early. I wash my face. I make my coffee. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I leave the house. I take the bus. I start work. I buy some food. I watch TV. I wash the dishes. I read a book. I walk the dog. I take a shower. I cook dinner. I go to sleep.
That's all for today's lesson. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!